Hey everyone, my name is Sean, and today we'll show you how to make your very own LAN cable, or better known as Ethernet cables, both straight through and crossover using RJ45 connectors. I'll also explain what tools and materials you need, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how and what it does. Now, without further ado, let's begin.
So, you might be wondering what this thing is. Well, it is called an RJ45 connector. This plugs attaches to the ends of an Ethernet cable. They allow the cable to connect to devices like routers, switches, and computers.
Now, this is an Ethernet cable. This is the main cable used for network connections. Inside are 8 color-coded wires that need to be arranged in proper order depending on cable type.
Now, this is a crimping tool. It mainly locks each wire into the RJ45 connector. It cuts the wire and peels away the outer shell of the cable. Now, let's proceed to the LAN tester.
And lastly, this is the cable tester. It checks if the cables are connected properly, and it also checks if the 8 wires are connected properly and is working as it is intended.
Straight-through cable. This is the most common network cable. The pin arrangement at both ends is identical, which makes it the go-to choice for everyday connections. You plug it in when you're linking devices that perform different roles in a network. A computer to a switch or a router to a switch are the basic examples. It basically carries data in a simple one direction to the other setup without any swapping.
The first step is to strip about 2 inches of the outer jacket using the crimping tool and untwist the purse carefully. However, remember to be careful in using it because you might get hurt, and always use tools carefully. Next is to arrange the wires carefully. Is straight through order is combination of white, orange, orange, white green, blue, green, white brown, and brown. This is required as it needs to be in proper order in order for it to work. Now for the next step, carefully slide the trim wires into the RJ45 connector, making sure each wire follows its correct slot. Push them all the way forward until you can see the tips reach the front of the connector. This ensures a solid connection when you crimp it later. Now, of course, for the second to the last step, once everything is aligned, you're ready to crimp the connector to lock the wires in place. Now, for our very last step is to test the cable. Since this is a straight through cable, plug both ends into a cable tester, and if wired correctly, the tester lights will show a perfect match, confirming the cable is ready for use.
Crossover or crosspoint cable. This one has the transmit and receive wires reversed at one end. That small change lets 2 similar devices talk to each other directly because each device's transmit line ends up meeting the other's receive line. It's useful when you want to connect 2 computers directly for file sharing or 2 switches without an uplink port.
So, we're going to just do the same steps. Step 1 is to prepare the cable. Step 2, add twist and arrange wires. But the only thing that will change here is that it is crossover cable now, so the steps are the same, but the only difference is the wire color sequence, which makes or changes the tester result. Step 3, trim the wires. Step 4, insert into RJ45 connector and crimp. Step 5, repeat for the other end. And step 6, of course, test the cable.